Twerk.
No!
Twerk, bro.
Don't make
Twerk,
me laugh.
bro.
I slap my vagina. Ew! Nene used to do, let me see, where is he? Sit down.
I think this guy is probably the most dominant guy right now.
I'm just waiting. I am too. I'm waiting for Lee.
I sat down.
Let me see. No, you didn't. Did you
Go.
do that? I can't do it anymore. Let me see. Wait. How do I shake my ass when I'm on the ground? I can't do it. I could have gone real left and I would have died.
I'm still waiting for a picture.
I'm trying. Yeah.
Do it again.
Butt naked. Who does that? I was like, oh my god, asking for pictures of Ali and shit.
I'm waiting for a picture.
No, I can't. The blood rushes my head. Do it, Jada. I can't do it anymore. Come over every night for dinner. See? And I'm the one that taught her to do that shit. I can't do it. Wait a minute, let me see that. Did it wing you?
Did you die, bitch?
But did you die? But did you die?
Are you drained?
But